Hi guys, thank you for once again tuning into my channel and watching my videos. Feel free to subscribe and give me a like and a share if you can. Also, if you want to see more of this content, then give me a follow on X. And I have shared a link to my profile in the description. Now, in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is breaking down the price prediction of Cardano ADA leading up to President Donald Trump's inauguration tomorrow. And it's going to be a continuation from yesterday's video where I broke down our short-term targets. And in yesterday's video, I broke down how we are currently in a wave two, and our price is going to fall anywhere within the region of $1.02 and 91 cents. And as you can see, at 9 o'clock this morning, is it 9 o'clock? Yeah, 9 o'clock this morning, we breached our targets. And so if we look at our smart money concept indicator, it's showing that there is a weak high and a strong low, meaning that the possibility of us going further down to the downside is unlikely, and we are now actually on the move to the upside. And so what I'll do is I'll do some final checks as well, just to ensure that our wave two has now been completed. And on our wave two, I can see that there is an ABC structure, which looks something along the lines of this. So A, B, and C. And so I'll do some final checks just to make sure that our wave C meets the minimum requirements. And our wave C is typically, hold on. Our wave C is typically 1 to 1.236 of our wave A. And so if I select that, so our wave C, yeah, so you can see there that our wave C has met the minimum target. So yeah, to me that says that wave two has now been completed and now we are on the move to the upside. So if I remove these just to make it a little bit more clearer now, yeah, that's better now. And so if I move this wave two to there, now we are on the move to the upside. So I'm going to try and predict where our wave three is going to lie. And our wave three is typically anywhere between 1.236 and 1.618 of our wave one. And so if I select the Fibonacci retracement tool and select the top of our wave one and the origin of our wave one, let's select it right. There we go. And what's the low? The low is move that to the correct level. So our wave three is going to lie anywhere within this region of $1.36 and $1.47. So if I just change this color and change the coordinates to that and that, so yeah, our wave three is going to reach anywhere within this region here of $1.36 and $1.47, and we'll probably see a correction at some point as well as a cooling down process before we see another move to the upside to complete our wave one of our bigger structure. And so yeah, this coming week is going to be bullish. And yeah, it's going to be exciting to track the price of Cardano and also Bitcoin and other cryptos as well. And one thing to note as well is at the moment the stochastic RSI is actually indicating that we are currently overbought, and so there is room to the downside. Now this actually ties in with what we can see in our internal structure of our wave three. Now internally what I can see is we are currently in a 5-wave move to the upside to complete a wave one. And so what that looks like is something along the lines of this, where you have a wave one, and then you have a wave two, you have a wave three, and then I think we're currently in a wave four, and then we're in a wave five. So a wave four is typically anywhere between 23.6 and 50% of wave 3. And so what that will look like is like so. So wave 4 will fall anywhere within this region here. Four, 35. So yeah, I'll wait for fall anywhere within this region. Now if I break it down on a 15-minute time frame, what I'll do is I'll just do some quick checks just to make sure that our targets have been met. And again, it looks to me like we are currently in a ABC structure where you have our A and then our B, and then we are currently in a wave C. And so if I was to break this down even more, what we have is 894. So I am expecting our wave C to fall within this region here of $1.06 and $1.59. Yeah. So yeah, it's plenty of room to the downside as shown on the hourly chart on our stochastic RSI. And so yeah, I'll keep an eye on that one. And what I'll do is very quickly go on the 4-hour chart. And on our 4-hour chart, it's currently showing that there is room to the upside as well, which again ties in with what I was saying earlier on with regards to this week being bullish. And there's going to be plenty of room to the upside. And so, yeah, that's going to be interesting to track this coming week. And so on the daily chart, it's actually showing that we are overbought. And so there's room to the downside. But I think we'll probably see a correction to the downside maybe towards the end of the week. And maybe that will then be a case of us tracking our wave 2 of our bigger structures as well. But again, we can only predict where our wave 2 is going to lie once our wave 1 has completed at some point this week. So yeah, stay tuned anyway, and I'll keep an eye on that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching once again, and feel free to subscribe and give me a like, share, and also give me a follow next. Take it easy.